Hey guys, how is it going? I am Kaku, a travel and lifestyle photographer and a motor vlogger here in Sri Lanka. In this video, I am taking you on a short road trip to Udawalawe National Park, which is famous for safaris and elephant watching. Last year, I did a few motorcycle tours around the southern part of Sri Lanka and this was one of them. My clients on this trip were from Poland and my buddy Ranul joined as an extra rider. We started early in the morning, riding through scenic views and rural areas covered with lush green landscapes.
There's another one.
Just before reaching the national park, we spotted a couple of elephants on the side of the road. As you can see, this guy is feeding one, which isn't something you should do as it can affect their health and make them dependent on humans, reducing their chances of surviving on their own. After that, we headed to the national park where I had already booked a jeep through a friend who works there. He helped us with the safari and it was an amazing experience seeing these majestic creatures up close.
Oh, there are more.
Look at this one. Where's my friend?
What?
On our way back south, we rode across the Udawalawe Dam, overlooking the beautiful Udawalawe Reservoir. We stopped for a bit, took some photos, and enjoyed the cool breeze and stunning landscape around us.
On we go down the endless road. How can we know what tomorrow holds? I know this life gets so heavy, so I'll carry it with you, and I know you'll carry me too, and we'll be home wherever we roam. this view will always be new. Each morning when I wake up with you. Someday we'll have our own acre or two. We'll have a garden and a shed for your tools. But for now there's no rush, 'cause we still got so much left to see.
After all this fun, we came back to the south and had a quick king coconut break and then headed home. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what buttons to press. And I am no longer offering these tours in the south, but I've got a special one from Colombo to the Asian Kingdom of Yapahua. Plus I do a street photography walk and workshop in Colombo, which you can check out in the links below. So thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
And we'll be home.